Start your own online business. So you want to start your own online business? You didn't know? Here we go. Like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment at the bottom and share the video. Share it on social media. Okay, sharing is caring. Start your own business. Everybody wants to make money online, right? You want to quit your job. You want to have independence, time, freedom, able to travel the world, do whatever it is you want to do. But what kind of business? What does it take? You hear about people making money online. There's all kinds of different ways people are making money online. Are they scams? Are they real? Well, most ways that you hear about, people are making money online or did make money doing that method. But by the time you catch up to it, maybe it doesn't work anymore, or it's harder to do because more people are doing it. You got to get in on the ground floor. So that being said, I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways to make money. I'm going to use Fiverr, but you can use any freelance site. I'm proposing to you to not start your own business, but to be a freelancer and to provide services to people that they need. Okay. Everybody is trying to start an online business. Okay. So why don't you try to help those people build their business? You provide what they need to help them build their business. There's a big market for it just because everybody's trying to make money online. So if you have the tools and you're training people and you're helping people to do it, and if you don't know what you're doing, don't worry about it. There's plenty of training. But and this isn't the sales thing. I'm going to show you how to make money. You don't need to buy. I'm not selling a course. I'm not selling anything. Okay. But anyway, so you go to one of these freelance websites and you're going to put up ads as to what you're going to do. So I don't know if you've to do affiliate marketing, if you've tried to do affiliate marketing and any kind of digital marketing, internet marketing, then you've probably heard about sales funnels. Okay, what's a sales funnel? Okay, sales funnel is a way to market and to capture emails and to get people into a funnel. And they start out here and it narrows it down, and till you get to the sales page. You're warming the traffic, basically, what you're doing. You're taking cold traffic and making it warm traffic. Okay, so first of all, let's see if we put in sales funnels on Fiverr and search it. Okay, and these are people that are selling their services. Okay, now they're doing it for $30, $15. This one's a Shopify, right? This one over here is a Shopify ClickFunnels. Okay, he's starting at $5, but he's probably got upsells and stuff. Okay, here's a guy doing it with Builderall. Okay, Builderall is the up and coming most complete digital marketplace. They have everything for one low price. But anyway, we're looking for oh my God, this one here is 145. Okay, so this guy's getting 145. So let's click on him. So he's getting $145 every time he makes somebody a sales funnel, right? And he's got standard rate. He's got a standard custom at $295, and he's got a premium rate at $395. Okay, so this guy's making some bucks. Now, you look over here, he's got 77 likes. Okay, not likes, but reviews. Okay, so he's got 77 reviews. Okay, usually you figure like 10% or so. So let's see, 10%, that would be 770. So let the computer warm up. So if you got 770 times 145, okay, he's made over $100,000 doing this. Okay, he's made over $100,000 doing this, and the proof is right there. That's how many people, that's how much he charges. And a lot of these people are probably getting the standard and the premium, or they're getting the basic and going back and getting the standard and premium if he's good at what he does. Okay, so that's sales funnels. Now, if you come over to Builderall, right, and you go onto sales funnels. Now, Builderall has everything: website building, sales funnels. But I'm not going to go through everything. We're going to just look at sales funnels, okay? And there's all these templates. It's all drag and drop, let's say a lead magnet funnel. So, you could make these things pretty easy. Of course, Builderall is a software that costs you $30 a month for the software, but you're selling this stuff. So this is what a funnel is, okay? Funnel is an ad. It doesn't have to be Facebook. It could be any traffic source. You get to a lead magnet page, and you're capturing their emails here, and you're sending them to a thank you page, where you can upsell them to something else. Now with the emails, then you go into an email campaign, autoresponder sequence, and keep sending them emails, sales items, and whatnot. And, as long as they stay on your email list, you can market to them and you can grow your list that way. So you can build this for people. Now, let's see. We're going to select one of these templates, and I'll show you. This is your sales funnel, okay? This is your sales funnel. This is your sales funnel, and it's all drag and drop. I mean, you can click this and change the headline. You can change the color. You can change the font. You can put whatever you want in here. Now down here, you can attach whatever responder you want to capture the email. It's all drag and drop stuff. Now when they click on there, they're going to go to the thank you page, right? And on the thank you page again, it's all drag and drop. You could put a video in there, okay? You don't have to, put a video, and then you can call to action for your upsell. Okay. In the meantime, you've captured their email, and you're building this for people who want it done. And you can do this. If you've been affiliate marketing, you've heard about this, and if you want to start your own online business, you may want to do this for yourself. You can do this for yourself while you're building it for other people and making other money on the top and on the side. There's no sense in having one income stream. You can have this tool. You can run your own sales funnels. Meanwhile, on Fiverr or some other, Udemy or whatever freelance site, you can be selling your services. What you're learning to do, you can do for other people and make $100,000. Okay. Pretty simple stuff. All right. So, we're going to leave the site because we're not saving it. All right. Now let's go back over to Fiverr. All right. Email marketing campaign. And we were just talking about, right? This guy's doing it for $100, right? He's done 128. So like I said, you figure that's 20%. So he did 128. So I'll record it again. Ready? Here we go. So like I said, 128. She's 128. Now, if that's 10% of what she actually got, then she got 1,280 real sales. Figure because 10% people leave a review. Let's just say 10% people. It's really more because you get an incentive because you want to leave a review for the people so they give you better service next time and they want to review. And so he was getting it at $100 for his basic package, right? Of course, there you go. What did I just do? That's crazy stuff. So it was 1,280 times 100. We all know that's 128,000. Okay, so he made 128,000 making email marketing campaigns for people. All right, so can you do that? Can you make that money? I think you can. All right, so we're going to get to Builderall. Builderall has all the tools. All of these tools. You could build sales funnels. You could build email marketing, landing pages. Landing pages is another thing. The same way I searched for the other two, I searched for landing pages, found the guy. He's making $150,000. He has made $150,000 on Fiverr selling landing pages. Okay, so it's out there. Okay, now you can do anything with Builderall, drag and drop, sales funnels, email marketing. Like I said, landing pages. There's so much stuff. Okay, I'm not going to bore you. I'm not going to bore you, but let's just look at the earnings calculator, because this is something. You're going to start your own online business, and you're going to be a freelancer, okay? And if you choose to use Builderall as a tool, I'm going to leave a 7-day free trial so you can try it out, okay? 7-day free trial. Not only that, I'm going to give you my Facebook. You can private message me. I'm not going to leave you hanging. We'll train you. Any questions you have, we'll get you. And there's plenty of training. I'm going to send you all the training that I have from the Builderall, from everything. You're going to get all the training if you wanted to do this. Let's just say, okay. But let's say that you stink at it. Let's say you wanted to do this, but you're really horrible at it. In 1 year's time, you could only do make one sale a week. You sell one Builderall a week. So that's 52, right? So there's 52 weeks in a year. So you sell 52. Now your earnings would be $2,400. And your monthly recurring income, because now it's a platform where people are digitally marketing, building sales funnels on, because it's going to be a monthly bill. They're going to pay the $30 every month. Okay, you're going to pay the $30 every month to have your sales funnels to be able to sell all of these services to people. Okay, so you're going to, right now, if you sold one a week to people in a year's time without doing anything else, you're going to bring in $739 every month. Okay, without never having to, you could be sleeping, never work again. You're going to bring home that money, right? So, but now, like, what I'm trying to do is show you the value of it. All right, let's say that you do the same thing and you try to show people the value of it, and you get a bunch of people that want to sell, Builderall and do this thing. Let's say I think it's going to be higher. I think more people are going to see the value. You're already in it to start your own online business. You're already looking at affiliate marketing. You're already looking at doing the sales funnels and the landing pages and the email marketing. You might as well get the tools that will help you do it the most. Okay, and it all in one place. What I'm going to tell you is you can go to ClickFunnels, you can go to all these other places and pay hundreds of dollars for it. But you also have to get all the services for email marketing, for sales funnels, for landing pages, for website building. This is a website builder. All drag and drop for every industry: hairdresser, bartender, lawyer, dentist, you name it, painter. They have templates for websites for all types of businesses. Okay, you can sell websites and make hundreds of dollars every time. You can probably make hundreds of dollars. If I search that, make a website, you probably find another $100,000 guy who made $100,000 selling websites, probably even more than that. Okay, but getting back to this, let's say it's half. Let's say it's less than half. Let's say only 24 people. All right. Let's say 24 people decided they're going to try to sell Builderall like you are. And in a year's time, you sold 52. Okay. Now, in a year's time, what are they going to sell? Let's say you're a horrible salesman. You only got 1 week. Let's say you can only bring in salesmen that are as bad as you or as worse than you. So let's say they only do one a month. So let's say they sell 12 each. Okay. Now look at your residual income hasn't changed because you haven't sold any more. You still only sold the 52. But now because you're downline and it goes only 2 people deep, it's not a multi-layer marketing thing. It goes 2 people deep. If you came in under me, then whoever you sold to, I would get money from them too, right? So that being said, you would have $4,800 a month, okay, coming in residually without you ever having to do anything else. Again, you're getting the $4,800 a month, okay? Now, you're going to say to yourself, that sounds crazy, but you're going to do more than one a week. And even if you start out selling a week because you're not that good at it, you're going to get better at it and better at it and better at it. And if you stick to it 3 months, 6 months, a year, you're going to be a much better salesman at it. That number will probably be double, okay? And that'll probably be 100. All right. Do you want to see what the numbers have changed to if you do 100? So if this number was 100 and this number was 50, and this number was 24, let's say it's 25. Okay, look at that. Almost $20,000, $19,000 a month. $19,000 a month. Residual income, never having to do nothing again. Okay, come on. All right, getting ahead of myself. Again, you can do this, you can do that, you can do what you want. You can sell all of these individual services, okay, on Fiverr or Udemy or whatever freelance site that you find, all right, and whatever price. Like I said, Fiverr, people have that misconception about Fiverr that, oh, people, they're only going to make $5. You just saw it yourself. The one guy was charging $145 for his services, okay? So it's not $5, okay? Some of them start out at $5 for a basic plan, but then if you want something, anything real worth anything, it's an upgrade to more, right? So like and subscribe to the video. This is how you start an online business. Okay, this is how you start an online business, and you can work for yourself. You start on the side. You can do it at home. You can do it at night. You can do it in the middle of the night. You can do it on the weekends, and you keep your daytime job and you build this up. Now, look, those guys are making money. Now, I didn't go through how many people are making money. If you went through, I mean, there was. Let's take a look real quick. All right. So this one was at 100. This one's 40. They did 36. So 360 times 40. Okay. This one did over 1,000. So they did 100,000 at $30. Okay. This one did 45. So 450 at $10. Right. This one did 245. So 2,450 at $40. Okay. People are making bucks, and these people are making bucks. You make a nice thumbnail, okay, you put a nice picture, you do a nice little thing, and you do it, and you make money. You hang out your shingle, man, online, okay? That's how you start an online business, okay? And, you got to promote it. You got to promote it, but that's a different story. You can go on Facebook, you go on Instagram, you go on your social media, and you promote your services, okay? So, like and subscribe to the video. Like I said before, share this video on your Facebook or your social media. Get it out there. This is how you wanted to start it on your business. If you want to do Builderall, I'll give you the 7-day free trial. You come in under me, I'll give you all the training you need. I'll give you the support. You'll be able to PM me on Facebook. Ask me any questions if you get stuck with anything. If the training gets you confused, because there is a lot of training. I mean, it's very thorough. But if you have a problem, I'll be glad to. You PM me. We'll get on a Skype or whatever and talk. We'll get on a Facebook Live, and we'll figure out what your problem is. We'll fix it. Okay? Because remember, when you make money, when you're selling people, I'm going to make money off of you. You make money, so I'm going to make sure you make money. I'm going to be there to help you. I'm not going to let you fail if you quit. If you quit on me, I can't do nothing about it. But if you do everything you're being told to do, okay, you're going to make money, and I'm going to help you make money because, like I said, you make money, I make money. All right, but I can go on forever. Builderall is really great. Builderall's only been around for about a year in the United States. So, like I said, I want to get into something on the ground floor. Now's the time to get into it. Okay, there's a handful of people making money with Builderall. There's not a lot of affiliates that are making money with Builderall because it's still new. Jump on board and push it. This is going to blow everybody out of the water. All of the tools I just showed you for $30 a month. Okay, all the tools I just showed you for $30 a month. ClickFunnels can't touch that. Neither can any of the other landing whatever, and whatever other ones there are. They can't touch it. They can't touch it. Okay, so like and subscribe.